Today we're going to show you how to assemble your wall hanging fireplace TV units. So the first thing we're going to need to do is knock the cams into the big holes in the panels. So we're going to make sure that the back is supported on a flat surface and make sure that the flat side of the cam, top there, is flush with the edge of the board, and give it a firm tap with a mallet or a hammer. So once you've knocked all the cams in as per the instructions, we're going to put the cam screws in to the 5mm holes so that we can assemble the unit. So screwdriver, with the back panel, the side that you knock the cams into, we're going to put face down so that we can put the cam screws in the opposite side. To assemble the media wall, we start with the left-hand side and take the back panel. Check to make sure that the row of holes is in line with the cutout, and that tells you which is the top and the bottom. Put your screwdriver into the cam at a slight angle and turn half a turn until it goes tight. We then take our bottom panel with the cams facing the outside, and the same again, just tighten them up half a turn until they go tight. Top panel, exactly the same. Take the right end, put it on top. We now have the built unit, and we can attach the front panel for the fire. So to do that, we use these clips. The flat one goes on the cabinet in the pre-drilled holes, and the L-shaped one will go on the front panel. Using the provided 17mm screws, on there, and then the front panel again is pre-drilled. take your front panel, line the clips up, and you can just push it on. For the 40-inch fireplace, those 4 clips are sufficient. If you have a 60-inch fireplace, you'll have some small L-shaped brackets that you can add to the inside, top and bottom, just to give a bit more strength so that this doesn't move as much in the middle.